So today we are going to talk on the supplier-grade PLM. So my name is Himanshu Zalavadiya. I am the founder and the CEO. I am from Pune and basically from Gujarat. We have been into the PLM field for last 25 years. And we have been serving the global customers in Europe and US with the multiple PLM softwares, Dassault System, Teamcenter, Aras, Windchill. With our global experience of last 25 years, we would like to bring our PLM expertise to the auto suppliers in India. That is where we have started with our initiative called ScaleB. And ScaleB is designed for automotive suppliers and aerospace suppliers for India. So this is our global presence. We have a headquarter in Pune, and we have a subsidiary in US, Stuttgart, in Germany, and Sweden as well. This is our global customer tally. I would like to go straight to the problem statement. Where do we stand as today, as an industry, as an automotive industry? So we always see in day-to-day life, we see the problem of the audit pressure or the quality issues or project delays or the OEM pressures. What is underneath this iceberg is many inherent process problems, human problems, system problems. This is where we all need to invest today. So since today morning we have been hearing, we need to work on the digitalization, we need to work on resilience, we need to work on future readiness. That is where this system readiness is required. We are all expert in the process. Automotive and aerospace is strong in the process. This is the time where we need to translate this process into the digitalization and systemization. We need a system thinking. That is where all the data management, change management, process management, planning, everything needs to be connected. We need to have the digital thread. This is where we have to solve the problem. When I look at the global market, India's auto manufacturers global competition scorecard, we are great in the cost, we are great in the skills, we are great in the manufacturing scale. But when it comes to the PLM adoption, Industry 4.0, digitalization, we are too weak in compared to the global market. If you look at the global market, they are far beyond in terms of the PLM adoption, change management, right dashboarding, communication, and collaboration. That is the gap which we need to fill today. And that is where we'll be able to make our small and medium businesses stronger, which is the backbone for the country. So to solve this fundamental problem, we have come up with a new initiative called ScaleB. And our goal is to have the automotive component manufacturer-focused PLM solution. There are multiple PLM solutions which are already in the market. What we want to have is the PLM which works for the suppliers, because suppliers' way of working is unique, it is different. Our mission is that every Indian enterprise should be equipped with the PLM. As a supplier-grade PLM, ScaleB, which is IATF compliant, it has all the predefined, pre-developed layer and the process on top of that. It is powered by globally known PLM software, Aras Innovator. Aras Innovator is one of the top 4 to 5 PLM softwares in the world, which is also adopted by so many large OEMs recently. And it is there in the market for the last 25 years. So we have chosen Aras as a backbone, as an engine. We have created the layer for the Indian auto suppliers so that we can make it affordable, we can make it quick to deploy, and how it can bring the value faster. So as part of the ScaleB, we have the 4 foundational packages. These packages are not the module. It is based on your maturity. Every supplier is at the different level of the maturity. Some suppliers are still struggling with the Excels and WhatsApp and emails. They need to start with the engineering control. Then the next one, those who are struggling with the compliance and the change, the next one and next one. I'll go into the details more. And the value proposition, what we want to bring today is that we want to bring the PLM working in the 30 days. That is our commitment. That whenever we go there, we want to bring your PLM working in the 30 days. It has to be affordable. It has to be adaptable to the multiple OEM, multiple CAD systems. It should be easy to maintain by in-house team, because that is one of the biggest challenge of the suppliers. They are weak in the internal IT team, internal systems team. how they can maintain the high-grade digital solutions. That is where one of the challenge which we need to solve it. Also, it has to bring the value for money. So it is like a top-class car in what price I get. That is what we want to bring as a ScaleB. So now, why ScaleB as a supplier-grade PLM? There are already PLMs in the market. Because the OEM PLM needs are different than the supplier PLM needs. OEM starts with the product-centric. We start with the process-centric. OEMs, platform-driven. We are the execution-driven. OEM are the CAD aligned because they have the large CAD models, large CAD assemblies, and so on. We are the CAD agnostic because we need to work with the multiple OEMs, multiple areas. We are the process-centric. They are the product-centric. So these are the very unique and fundamental difference. That is where all the suppliers have to mature themselves that they don't need to copy their PLM the way their OEMs are doing. Because your process, your way of working, your challenges are unique to you. And you have to choose what works best for you. So this is where you have to make the good difference. So you need flexible, process-strong, CAD agnostic, and affordable PLM as India. So now, with this, we have the 4 packages. One for the engine control, and it is having a different background here. So I would like to give the 1-minute video here, which gives the brief of our product, which has the 4 modules. Engine control. This is the part list where you can see all the latest release data all the time. Manufacturing always see the release data. Your single source of the truth, always see the BOM in place. Your revisions, cycle, revising is always in the control with the right approval. You have the CAD viewer inbuilt into the system. You can compare the BOM, you can find the differences, make the fast corrections. You have always the history, you have the ECO, ECR, problem report, everything is well connected here. You have the inbuilt CAPA, you have inbuilt PFMA, control plan, history, traceability, so you are always the audit ready here. Track the risk and delays and see and plan in advance. And here is the manufacturing readiness, where you can define your process plan, work instructions, everything well connected. That brings the complete digital thread. And build the knowledge inside the system, because we have to depend on the system, we have to retain the knowledge with the organization. This is the program management, you can control the programs, RFQ management, and complete view of all the parts and status, all in one place. This is IPMS, Integrated Project Management, where you can collaborate across the team. So this is all about ScaleB, what we want to bring to the table. And here is the quick benefits. You have improvements, 30 to 35 faster time to market, 75% engineering change faster, and so on. So be prepared to change ready, technology ready, audit ready, future ready, and be resilient. That's all from my side. Thank you so much.